People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com. Over there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 modes. I'm not going to need that many, but I don't like to be caught off guard, so therefore I have the oils for my 73 ounce soap and enough modes for whatever I need it for. This is coffee grounds and coffee grounds and orange rinds. You okay in there? You okay?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. Now, in the meantime, I'm going to share this recipe with you. I'm making a video. What you're going to do is measure out 14 ounces of canola oil. Use a 1 pound container or a 16 ounce container of lard. Just put the whole thing in there. You don't even have to measure. My palm oil comes in a 24 ounce container under the name of Spectrum. What I do with that is I subtract 4 ounces. I just scoop out 4 ounces. It's like reversing the way you measure on the scale. So put the whole scale there, tear it, remove 4 ounces. And then melt down the rest that's left and put the 4 ounces into a separate container so that way you can save it for later. The lye amount is wrong. This is 6.58. It should say 6.61 because when I first wrote the recipe I had the lard and the palm oil in reverse, so I had to redo that. But 0.58 and 0.61, no big whoop. You could just add a little more super fatting or whatever and don't worry about it. And the water is 16.5. That gives you a 5% super fat. And your total volume is 73.1. I have safflower oil in there. Safflower oil rather. And I scented the batch with coffee. World's finest coffee scent. As you could tell, that's cloudy. That means these oils are starting to solidify, which means I need to go ahead and add it. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to pour it, and then I'm going to have dinner. Because I literally forgot to eat, and I'm not going to do it until after this is done. In the meantime, my Lucy mode. See that? This boat was found. That boat was found. This boat here is missing. So I took a headband and put it in that groove. It's in there rather tightly. So all I gotta do is make sure I pour under that. So that way it'll still fit. Lucy mode gives me 24 bars or 21 bars, I believe. And I have those 2 standbys over there. I have, this is a 16 ounce mode. So depending on what my overflow is, this one is 40. But yeah, so I'm going to get that popping and then I'll bring you back for the results. Because this is not going to have any coloring except for whatever the coffee gives it, because sometimes the coffee lightens up a batch and sometimes it doesn't. I use brewed coffee that was already in the coffee maker, so instead of dumping it out to make a new batch of coffee, I just went ahead and measured it and, you know, did my live water from there, except for instead of water it was coffee. Anyway, this is going to be the exfoliator and the odor neutralizer, and I will bring you back to show you the finished results. Y'all take care. Stay blessed, stay tuned. Bye now. This has been People of 7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, is located at people.etsy.com. And my t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.tmail.com. Stay blessed, stay tuned, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye now.